Done. Hey, guess who's eliminated? Guess who's eliminated? Hey. Is it me? Hey, do you guys wanna compete in my competition show? For a prize too. Hey, now you cannot be taking my contestants and just stealing the show. Okay, guys. The first challenge is to pick a number between 1 and 5. It's gotta be a number. I choose 17. You're also up for elimination. Vote for the person you want to see eliminated in the comment section below. Voting ends the day before the next snow day in Dallas, Texas. Wait, no, there's not gonna be no snow. No, that's not gonna happen.